Welcome to the Volvo Car Safety Center. Here at the Crash Lab, we have the capability to recreate almost any accident and capture the complexity of the real world. It allows us to push our cars far beyond the standard requirements to meet the ambitious Volvo safety standard. During development, we crash our cars thousands of times using computer simulations. But before anyone gets behind the wheel, we do physical tests with real cars. Today, we are crashing two of our safest cars. This is beyond any test for ratings, but essential for safety in the real world. To fulfill our safety standard, we make sure every car meets a long list of criteria. For instance, the safety cage must remain intact, the airbags must deploy correctly, and the battery must disconnect within milliseconds. All to help keep you protected. But to us, safety is more than saving life. We also aim to make you feel safe, so you can embrace life. That means helping to avoid accidents in the first place. That's why we develop technology to help support you when needed. Because the safest accident is the one that never happens. At Volvo Cars, we believe you shouldn't have to choose between safety and design. We have a long history of creating cars that combine both. Our Volvo Amazon here is a great example, and one of the first cars to introduce the 3-point safety belt. With the ES90, we are adding another incredible chapter to our history books.